Welcome to another great tutorial from Metayota. We are now going to learn how to extend a resource. I create a new resource I call salutation. I fill in the title, the name, the type, it will be a tag, and the project is website. Extending a resource means I want a copy of another resource and change some attributes, change some code, or set defaults. You see, this is a new resource, so it does not have any code attached. I will switch to the configuration to set that this resource should extend the drop-down menu, because I want a menu to select Miss or Mr., and this component is called salutation. Now I save the configuration and switch to the access control view. Users and visitors should have access to this resource. I do not even need to write any code. I just switch to the defaults view to add the default values, Miss and Mr. The label is salutation, and then I click on the Add Item button. First I add Mr. The value is also Mr., just with small letters. And Miss, the second item in the drop-down. Now, I'm going to save the defaults, and I click the Preview button to see a preview of my component. Here it is, my great new salutation component. I'm going to embed this component to my website. This is the preview of the website.home, the example page. And this is the example page embedded into the layout, so the entry point of my website. Let's switch here to the dependencies view to add my new component to the dependencies. I chose salutation, and now I will save the changes. In the editor view, I can now use salutation like an HTML component. In the preview, the new salutation drop-down is now visible. And of course, I switch to my website. I want to see the new drop-down, how it looks embedded into the layout. In just 2 minutes, I created a new component without writing a single line of code.